Hi, my name is Yanis. In the past weeks during the COVID-19 crisis, our friends and acquaintances started asking what tools we would suggest to share and monetize their skills online with the help of video. And after research, we found out that for non-technical people, they lack an easy way to share and get paid for their content at one place. They have to either use different tools for streaming and collecting the payments, or end-to-end user solutions require their investments in the home pages and the marketing and learning the new skills. So that's why we created a one-stop solution for them to easily upload or stream their content with just a few clicks of the buttons, and after uploading it, sharing the content with their members. And here we have already enabled payment functionality where they can share the link on the social channels so everybody can see the video and pay for it. On top, we have marketplace where they will get a more audience that want to see their video and have the potential additional monetization opportunities. From existing tools, our competitive advantage is possibility to launch the video in an easy way in a one-stop solution and get monetized it easily. For us, an accountant who is delivering a yoga classes to have extra income, it is so easy they don't need any technical skills to learn. I'm Yanis, my CTO is Martins. We have already interest in the solution and we have more than 2 persons joining the pilot. Thank you very much.